Today we are going to explore this. Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to explore this portfolio that you're able to see currently on display. Not only that, we will be building this portfolio from scratch one by one, and also I will explain you each and every part of this portfolio and how you can create it from scratch if you want to create. And the interesting part of that portfolio is going to be that we are not going to use any kind of library over here. We will be just using CSS, HTML and JavaScript. That's all we will be using in this portfolio, and that's I think the very interesting part of that portfolio. So let's showcase the portfolio. First of all, let me show you all the complete portfolio, and then we'll move further, and also I will share a few details with you after showcasing the portfolio. So here's the portfolio, you can see that, and this is the logo over here. This logo will change, depends on the use of that portfolio. Like if you're opening this portfolio on mobile phone, then it's going to be different, and if you're opening in the desktop, it's definitely it's going to be different. And here are some quick links that you can use in order to, like, if you want to share your resume. So as you click on the resume, that will open a resume, and if you will click on that email, it will copy an email to your clipboard, and you will be able to paste anywhere, wherever you want. And this chat button will help you to connect directly with me. Like as you will click on this chat button, it will open a WhatsApp chat directly, and using that wa link. And this blog is will take you through my blog, whatever my blog is. So the main part of that intro part of that portfolio is over here, you can see that. And if someone wants to send me a message directly, they can just click on that let's talk button, and they will be able to send they will be able to send me any message, whatever they want. And I used in this part I used email.js in order to send the messages, because there was no option to do that, and otherwise I would have to use simple email. But in this I have used email.js, and as you will click on the send button, this message will automatically be sent it on the user's phones, and for the verification that the message you have sent it's properly received or not, something like that. And then after that we have these social media icons that you can use over here. Whatever you can change these social media icons based on your requirements as well. And this is about me sections. Here a little bit detail, just a short description about me. It's not a lot. And here are some short tags that you can use if you want. And these are services that I offer over here. So there's only 3 services that I offer, so that I created in that way, so because I don't want to show a lot of cards over here. And this is the work session, and in this section you can showcase all your projects you want. And yeah, definitely this section is pretty interesting according to me, I think, because I've created each and every functionality that you may want to use in your portfolio, because you can mention a short description over here, or after that you can categorize your projects, personal project and professional project, and all your work also you can categorize like that. And also you can put a short description over here if it is not feasible, and if you don't want to put short description, if you want to put a long description over here, then you can just use that read more, and it will open long description. And also you can embed all these photos in that. So you can showcase your project very nicely in this portfolio. There is no problem with that. Also you want to showcase your video, you can showcase like that, so it will load your video and play a video without any problem. So that's how you can showcase all your project over here. There's next button, and also next button you can visit the next page of that, because there will be only 6 cards at a time. So if there's a lot of cards, you can use these navigation button in order to navigate to those pages. And over here the my skill option is like my skill, you can show all your skills over here, and with progress how much you know about that particular skill. If you want to mention over here, like I know C language, I know Java that much, and I know Python 90% and something like that, you can showcase all your skill over here. Also you can use mouse in order to scroll this simple scroll. It's not based on the scroll area, it's just based on JavaScript I created. There's nothing created. I've created this part of that portfolio from scratch. Like everything is created from scratch. There's nothing that is already been created for me. And this is working pretty nicely. Also you can just it will adjust according to the device, whatever device you're using. After that, when it comes to experience and you want to mention your experience in the portfolio, and that's the section that you can use in order to showcase your experience. Here you can use the company logo that you're working in, and also you can mention your profile and your post and whatever you want to. And after that you can mention short description about that, and also you can mention the year you're working in. So that's how you can represent your journey and the complete experience. And after finishing up with that, we comes to the bottom, and very nicely designed. This bottom section of that portfolio is like that's it. Now it's your turn to say hi. And when you click on that Harvinder, like it's my name currently, but when you click on that button, it will speak your name, and it will say your name. And you can change this on the basis of, you just have to change the text and it will speak. I used JavaScript, something like that over there. And when you click on say hi, it will open an email, something like that, and you can directly email to that particular user. Like here in this case, you can directly send an email to me. And the bottom section is this is the footer of this portfolio, and here the address you want to mention, then email, then your website, and then your phone number, and all your social media also over here. And this is button, as you click on this button, it will take you to top. And but the main here's one more interesting part of this portfolio. Like if you click on email, you don't need to like select this mail and copy, just you click on mail and it will copy that mail to your clipboard. Now as you click on this button, it will take you to the top. And here's one more functionality in this portfolio, is that if you want to change the theme, and just you have to click over here, it will open a pop-up menu. It's not kind of pop-up menu, it's just a slide menu. And as you'll click on this bright button, then it's in a light color of this portfolio, light theme of this portfolio. It's not light color, it's in a light theme of this portfolio, and this is the dark one. You can adjust these colors based on your requirements if you want. And these are also if you have your YouTube channel and maybe you want to mention some quick links over here, you can mention 3 of them over here, and it will work pretty nicely without any problem. So this is the whole portfolio that we will be building. And this video is not going to, I will be not building this portfolio in this in the single video, because it's very long process, and I cannot build this portfolio in just a single video. And because I will be explaining each and everything, and I will take you through each and every part of that portfolio, so that it's not that easy that just to put everything in a single video. So that this video is going to be in different series, and I will create a playlist over there that you can access. But for now, if you want to access this portfolio, and if you want to download the complete code of that, you can visit on the store, and the link will be available in the description. So you can use that link in order to download that portfolio, and the complete code will be there. If you want to just go through on your own, and if you just want to manipulate things, and you just want to whatever you want to do, it doesn't matter. And if you want that portfolio before this series is being completed, and you won't write it now, so if you want right now, so you can download from the description, the link will be there. And this let me show you and one more interesting part of this portfolio I skipped over. This portfolio is totally built on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. There's no library except email.js. I did not use any kind of library in order to design this portfolio. And here's the code of that portfolio, as you can see. But the interesting part of that portfolio is there you will not able to find any data in this HTML file. There's no data in the HTML file. All the data is mentioned in the data.json. So you don't need to just if you want to use that portfolio for your own purpose, you don't need to change anything in the HTML file, also not in the CSS file. All you have to do is just open this data.json file, and theme is available over here. Light theme, light red theme, and default dark theme is available over here. You can change the colors on that based on your requirements. And these are the properties you can change over here, and theme menu, and red and light based on whatever you want to choose. Then you can change the icons, you can change the social media icons, so you can change everything visible in the portfolio. Even your author info you can change over here, and all the information about available in the about section is available over here, so you can change it from over here. And services that I provide and maybe you won't provide, you can mention over here, and all the services will be there. And portfolio is section related to my work, and here you can showcase all your project, and you don't need to go to portfolio and edit the links and change the video. All you have to do just edit this mp4, and you can mention, you can use these properties. These are the comments. So this file that you can use in order to change the complete data in the portfolio, and you don't need to change a single line in HTML and CSS. You don't need to play with the JavaScript. Just you need to play with the file, and you will be able to build your own portfolio. But the main target is over here to show you how you can build your own portfolio from scratch, same as I have built. And we will be building this portfolio same as it is right now, and we will be using same data.json file in order to just save all the data related to ourselves. So this is going to be a pretty interesting series, and I already told you, if you want to download this portfolio, link will be in the description, you can download from there. And if you want to follow along with the series, you can follow along with the series, but it's not going to be pretty fast. It will be a bit slow, but the content I will provide you, it's going to be I will try to provide you really good content, and I will try to explain you in a really good way. So this is the complete portfolio, and I hope you liked this video. Oh, I forgot to say that if you want to see these kind of video, and if you're interested in these kind of projects, I will be building these kind of project on this channel, and I will be uploading videos on the regular basis, on the weekly basis maybe. And if you're interested, you can follow this channel, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want to receive all the notification. I forgot to say that. So that's it. Okay, bye bye for now. Just subscribe the channel.